Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, just stopping by, hello, my name is Jennifer and I'd love it if you stick around and subscribed. So you already know from the title of today's video, I just wanted to create a super basic, warm tone, just smoky eye. This one kind of reminds me of Thanksgiving. I'm not even gonna try to lie. It's a lot of oranges and browns and like rose gold shades. I really like how it turns out and I hope you guys do too, obviously. So I'm gonna stop rambling. If you're wondering where I am, what I'm doing, I am sitting on my couch. It is 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm filming in my living room on my couch so late at night because my daughter Ellie is almost 2 and she's been going through this phase here lately where she wants to sleep in the bed with me and her dad, and that's totally fine. So they are both in my bedroom passed out, which is where I normally film, and I obviously didn't want to disturb them at 1 o'clock in the morning, so I just kind of ran in and grabbed some shit and ran out, which is why we used some weird palettes, had some weird products out. Things were going very strange in this video, but I am gonna stop rambling. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. You can also leave me a comment down below with videos you want to see in the future, something you liked in this video, something you didn't like in this video, or you can simply just say hey. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you did not already see my 500 subscriber giveaway, it went up on Monday of this week, so you can go check that out, maybe win some goodies. I am seriously gonna stop rambling this time. Let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so all I know for sure is I randomly grabbed makeup, and these are the two palettes that were at the top of my drawer. Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy palette, super overpriced, but it's okay. And the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette. So, you know how we do. I am gonna be struggling through this entire video, but it's okay. Trying new things out. So, today I want to just do a very simple, classic, everyday, warm tone smoky eye. Nothing spectacular by any means. So, I'm gonna try to just look down into my mirror and hopefully this all works out in the end. But I'm gonna start off in the Jeffree Star palette from Morphe. The Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, please. And I'm trying to tell if that has shimmer or not. So warm tone obviously means we're gonna need to throw some orangey fall shades in here. And I literally just have these two palettes. So I'm trying to show you this palette without blinding you. I'm gonna start off with Cheeto Dust. I'm so sorry, I'm blinding you. This palette is super hard to show on screen without blinding you with the mirror. I'm gonna start off with Cheeto Dust, and I forgot to mention I do already have my eyes primed with a concealer, so let's get in here. And I'm gonna start, I've literally never done my makeup by just holding a mirror up. It's very stressful right now. And I'm gonna pack most of this on my lid, but I'm making sure to blend it into my crease, and I'm definitely gonna fan it out a little bit. All right, so I have a mirror kind of far away, so maybe that will help me a little bit. I'm gonna blend that out into a little bit of a cat eye shape. I'm gonna go ahead and get that started. This is gonna be a super simple look just because it's just a basic, pretty smoky eye. What do we got going on there? Ooh. Now see, that's pretty. Okay, sorry, moving on. Same brush, I'm gonna go in with, no, I lied. I'm gonna pick up a different brush. I'm gonna go in with Boss Angeles out of the Morphe Jeffree Star palette and just load my brush up. And I'm gonna stress myself out. I'm gonna work this into the outer corner and just begin to create that depth. Pretty much just keeping it in my crease in this outer corner a little bit. All right. Different brush one more time just because I don't want to dirty all my brushes and then have to wipe them off before I do this eye. Now I'm gonna go in with Hi Dude, which is just this dark chocolatey brown. And I'm gonna pack it on with this crease brush right on the outside of my eye. Does not have to be perfect. I'm just literally laying pigment down, so not perfect in any way, shape, or form. So, okay. And then once I have the color placed where I want, I'm gonna go back through with no additional product. I'm just going to begin blending all this. Okay, honestly, you don't need the Conspiracy palette. I wish I wouldn't have put Cheeto dust down. I'm going to just very quickly, I forgot my white concealer in my bedroom, so I'm gonna go in with a skin toned concealer. Totally fine, still works. And I'm gonna just cut half my crease really quick. Does that work out for everybody? Just quickly, just trying to blank that out. Okay, now, ooh, hold on. Okay, yeah, no. Okay, I'm gonna still go in with Dog Mom. And I'm just going to start packing that over that concealer. Okay, that might be a little too bright, so I'm gonna take Girl, which is just a shimmery bronze shade. It's working out better. I'm gonna go in with my finger though. I'm gonna take Dog Mom, which was that lighter shade, and just slightly highlight the inside of my eye. And then I'm just gonna go back in with one of the crease brushes I used and blend all this out a little bit. Not completely getting rid of the cut crease, just a little bit. And I'm definitely gonna take that dark chocolate brown and fade out that crease. I am, God be with me, I'm gonna hop off of the screen very quickly and I'm going to clean up under this eye, catch this eye up. I'm gonna put on my eyebrows so I look like a human, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my face makeup, and we'll be right back to finish out this video. Okay, don't move, don't leave. We're back. I feel a lot better now. So dropping so much stuff. If you guys want to know why, it's because if you watch my vlogs or like my home videos, my little round end table that is literally this wide is what I'm trying to hold all my stuff on. It's not working out for me, but it's fine. So I highlighted my face to high heaven. I have so much highlighter on my face and I absolutely love it. But I used Ranch from the Conspiracy palette, which honestly is the only shade I use regularly in here. It's the only shade with even a dent in it. So I'm now gonna take that and pack it on my inner corner. And then whatever's left, I'm just gonna kind of bring up here and use it to blend that edge out just a little bit more. Yep, that was it. There you go. You're welcome. There you go. That was it. No, I'm fucking with y'all. I am going to take this Los Angeles shade, that darker burnt orange that I wish I would have used as my entire crease shade instead of just as like a deepening shade. It's fine. I'm going to take that on a tiny little pencil brush and we're going to throw this down. So now I'm going to take an even smaller little point brush and the, what was that called? Hi Dude, that dark chocolate. And I'm just going to run this really close to my lower lash line, like right against it, just to Add some depth. It's my favorite word. So now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Eyeliner in Blackest Black, and I'm just going to quickly tightline my eye. I'm going to hop off the screen one more time, and I'm going to add a wing, or at least try, for God's sake. I'm going to try. We're going to put on some mascara. I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess. And I'm going to throw on some ritzy lashes from Kiss, and we will be right back to finish out the look. Okay, we're back. We have lashes on. I really like how this is coming out. I really thought it was going to be messy. Anywho, hi, we're back. I am so out of practice from doing actual talk through videos. So these lashes are also on their very last leg. Everybody was telling me that the Milani Stay Matte Amore Satin Matte Lip Cream in the shade 01 Lavish is a dupe. And if you just hold them up beside each other, they look really, really close. So, I love the Milani liquid lips to begin with, so I'm quite comfortable with like the formula and the applicator and everything. That's the other thing about Jeffree Star's liquid lipsticks. I do like the applicator on it, but let's throw this on and do a nice natural lip. Oh, yay, okay. That is Mannequin. I'm so excited. I am over the moon excited that this is working out for me. I'm pretty sure this is going up after my giveaway video. Yeah, I think so. If you have not seen my giveaway video that went up earlier this week, you really should go check it out. This is not this one, I have two of them. This is included in that 500 subscriber giveaway, because even if this isn't a perfect dupe to the Jeffree Star Mannequin liquid lip, I really like the Milani formula. I like the applicator, and just on its own, not being a dupe, this is a really pretty nude shade. So I thought that would be cool to include, because my absolute favorite Milani liquid lip is in leather, and it's just a black. So most people would not want a black lipstick, which is why I picked a nude. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And you know what? I actually brought out the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in Almost Natural. And this is actually a dupe for White Russian from Buxom. And I'm just gonna add right in the center of my lip. I'm just gonna add a little bit of it for a little bit of a, glossy pop. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure if you did, you leave it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're in the middle, well, not really. We've just started my 500 subscriber giveaway, which thank you guys so much. Once again, if you haven't already seen that, please go back and watch it. Good times over there. And I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers. So, the faster my channel grows, the more giveaways there will be. I do one literally every 100 subscribers. I always have, I probably always will, until it just gets out of control. Thank you guys so much once again. I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get off here. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next one.